Hello friends, today we are going to see LeetCode easy problem, valid palindrome. So you are given with some string and you need to determine whether it's a palindrome or not. We have to consider only alphanumeric character and we can ignore the cases. So you have to skip all the special character which is coming in the string. Let's see an example. If this is the given sentence, if I ignore the case and if I ignore all the special character, then I can form this string. And if I reverse this string, I will get the same string. So it's a palindrome. Let's see another example. If I'm given with this sentence, if I remove all the special character, then I will get this word. And if I reverse this word, then I'm not going to get the same word. So it's not a palindrome. Okay, let's see an algorithm for it. So what we are going to do here is we are going to take two pointers. One is pointing to first character, another pointer will be pointing to the last character, and if there are any special character we will skip it from left side as well as from the right side, and if they are character or digit, then we will ignore the case and we will compare if they are same or not. If they are not same, then it's not a palindrome, so simply return false from that point. Okay, and if they are same, then just move ahead. Let's see the code for it. So for the left pointer, I'm going to take an integer variable which is 0, and I'm going to take another integer variable j which will be pointing to last character. Then I'm going to run a while loop where I is less than j. Okay, and here what I'm going to do is I'm going to have a while loop for skipping all the special characters. So I need to check this condition, I is less than j, and so it should not be letter or digit. So it's character dot is letter or digit s dot char at I. Okay, if the current character is not a letter or a digit, so skip it, so do I plus plus. Similarly you can do it for j from the right hand side. If I is less than j and the character at j is not letter or digit, in that case I will decrement the value of j. And if we reach a letter or digit from left side and right side, then we will do a comparison. So I'm going to compare the character at I and j now. Character dot to lowercase s dot char at I, and if it is not equal to character to lowercase s dot char at j. Okay, if they are not equal, then it means it's not a palindrome. So here you can simply return false, and if they are equal, then I need to increment the value of I and decrement the value of j. Okay, and continue the while loop. So if I come out of the while loop, it means that we never went in if condition, means the given sentence is palindrome. So in that case you have to return true. Okay, let's submit this solution and let's see whether it passed the base test case or not. Yeah, it do. Now let's submit this solution and let's see. Okay, so it cleared all the test cases for this problem. What can be the complexity for this problem? We are iterating the entire string, so time complexity is order of n, where n is the length of the string, and space complexity, we are not using any extra space for this algorithm, so the space complexity is order of 1. Thank you guys. If you like this video, do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.